Hi everyone, my name is Daya and today we are going to make some delicious mulberry jam. So as you can see here, I have a smasher, a spoon, a bowl and a jar full of mulberries. Now the first step you want to do is to take the mulberries in this type of container, then wash them all up really good and then just let them to drain for a while. Now that this is all washed and drained, I am going to add all the mulberries into our bowl. I have a lot of mulberries. Perfect. Now that we've done putting them all in, I am going to mash them up with my masher. Takes a bit of a long time to mash them up. That's better. Now everyone, as you can see, all my mulberries are smashed. I'm just gonna place this in here. Now the next step we have to do is put it all in the saucepan. All my mulberries are smashed and they're starting to cook in the saucepan. Now you look at this amount of sugar we're gonna put in. I know it might sound to you like it's too much, but actually to make this jam so tasty and so sweet, we need to use this much sugar. Ready, guys? Let's add it in. Woo! As you can see, all my sugar is going in my mulberry jam. I have let the mulberry boil for a while. Now, once the mulberry has boiled enough, looks like this, now you need some lemon juice. As you can see, there's some lemon juice, and you also need a strainer. Slowly pour your cup of lemon juice into our mixture. That is done, we have to mix it. As you can see, it's getting juicy and looking delicious. Now we are about to strain it and cool it down. Then it will become like jelly. All of it has been strained and it looks really yummy. I'm going to pour it into one of my jars. Making my mulberry jam, I have a delicious taste. Some of the mulberry jam included first. It will definitely be delicious, I'm sure. And yummy.